Welcome to Season 4 of YOLO Texas. My name is Jackie, producer of the show, and despite everything that we've seen across our great state, we still have so much more in store for y'all. But first, to kick off this next season, we're changing things up a little bit, and we're gonna reintroduce you to our team of traveling Texans, thanks to a little help with our friends at Jordan Motorcars. Hey, C! What's going on?
Good to see you. Welcome to San Marcos and
Yeah.
Jill's Broiler. They're known for their Mansky roll.
Gotcha. What is a Mansky roll?
It is a huge cinnamon roll and it is
Perfect.
delicious.
Great. I haven't had breakfast, so hopefully this will get me through the day.
Yeah, dessert for breakfast is awesome. Let's go.
Awesome. Sounds good. Oh my gosh.
The reason why I chose to come here to San Marcos is because everyone really knows me as the San Antonio girl.
Sure.
I mean, I have a Spurs mask on. This is a side of me that people don't really know is my San Marcos affiliation and my love for San Marcos. So
It's your second home.
yeah, it really is my second
sure.
home. It is the best of three worlds. You have San Antonio, that is 45 minutes away. You have Austin, that's 20 minutes away. And then you have the beautiful San Marcos River right through the middle of campus. So it is really, really just a hidden gem that people don't really, I guess, appreciate or see. It's just,
Yeah, exactly. We've done some tubing out here, which was a lot of fun and beautiful. So I'm excited to take a drive around. What's that pretty little thing I picked up?
Got it. Okay. YOLO Texas, baby!
JB, what's going on, man?
Not much. Excited to be taking a drive around with you today in this
I know.
beautiful car.
It is very nice. A nice Benz, thanks to our friends at Jordan Motors. I happen to be, I don't know if you noticed, my throwback
Yeah, the Concha shirt.
Texas humor Concha shirt. I
Yeah.
get so many compliments on this Concha shirt. It's like people either get it or they don't. It's a Texas shaped
Yeah.
Concha.
No, I love that shirt. In terms of sales, it wasn't quite where I wanted it to be, but I think it, especially for anyone who grew up in a Hispanic household like we did.
Yes, for sure.
It's a pretty good joke.
For those who do get it, people come up to me and are like, "I love your shirt. Where did you get it?" Texas humor, man.
Yeah, no, I mean, I'm excited because I know especially the last couple of seasons, things with Texas humor and my business kept me a little busy, so haven't been able to be on quite as many segments. But
Yeah.
excited to be back in the mix coming into this season.
Ooh, all right. Get it, Jackie? Oh. Lauren! Can you hear it? Oh, that sounds so pretty. I know. Like, look how beautiful the sparkles are. Oh, the sparkles. The sparkles. The sun glistening on the ocean. Yeah.
What was it like growing up in Corpus?
Born and raised here.
Nice.
Went to Cal Allen ISD. Go Wildcats.
What do you miss about
What I
Corpus?
miss about Corpus? Besides missing my family, I miss like the scenery. I mean, the
Yeah.
water is right there.
Yeah.
I was always about 15 minutes away from it, and it's just one of the most calming things to like look at, just like be around, just smell the ocean water,
It's
get that
beautiful.
sea salt air.
And today is beautiful.
I know, this is a perfect day for us to be out here.
Nice. All right, Tess. So we're
What's up,
trying
Jack?
something new because we can't travel as much as we'd like to. So we decided to come to you, to your hometown of Houston. So this is fun.
Welcome.
So something that's interesting with you is every time we're on a shoot, you ask me for what?
Ice cream, Jackie. The simplest request, okay? So every event that we go to, there's always ice cream, right? And even
Most of the time.
yeah, and even before I was a host, as a photog, I was like, oh, the ice cream looks so good. Jackie, after the shoot, can we get some ice cream? Yeah, Tess, yeah, just make sure you get that shot right there. Okay, Jack, so I'm over here getting the shot, all sweating, just waiting for my ice cream at the end of the shoot, and then it's finally over, and we just, I forget too, yeah.
Everyone wants to pack up. Everyone's
Yeah,
like, let's get out of
yeah.
here, let's go. I do always think, Tess wanted ice cream, but
You remember that?
all the time. But everyone's like, let's go. Let's just get out of here.
I thought you
So-
just genuinely forgot.
not sure how that came up.
I know. Season 4, we made it, Jack.
I know. That's exciting.
Yeah.
We have a new host,
Yeah.
right? A new co-host joining the team.
Yeah, she's going to be a great addition to the team. She's a former softball player, so her and I share the love of sports and competitive spirit. You know what? We should probably book something where we have to compete against each other.
Ooh, yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of that.
Going down, Jill. Going down.
So Jill, welcome to the YOLO Texas team.
This is quite the welcome.
This is a nice little intro, right? This is fun.
I would love to say that we do this every shoot, right?
Yeah, totally. We totally drive around in a badass car.
Take a Porsche everywhere we go.
Yes. So, little secret, you are from California, and we won't hold that against you.
I know it's gonna be funny being the one that isn't from Texas. However, I'm excited to offer hopefully a unique perspective, having lived a couple different places.
Sure.
Like from California, lived in Tennessee, lived in North Carolina,
Right.
but I've been in Texas over 2 years now, and
Nice.
I've loved exploring this state, especially because it's so big. I feel like I still have so much ground to cover.
Yes, we definitely pride ourselves. Have you, speaking of pride, have you felt the Texas pride that is so well known
Yes.
across the country, and that, yes?
Yes,
Yeah.
I quickly picked up when I moved here that Texas is not even like, it's bigger than its own state. It's its own thing. It's a way of life. It's a lifestyle.
That is so true.
It's a certain lifestyle, and that's exactly what we try to showcase on our show.
Exactly, exactly.